Hi, Christian here. This is Chris Talks. Welcome to my podcast.
Welcome back to the show. This week I saw a post on Facebook, and the quote said, "Behind the words tara kape are hard to say I need company." Like who among us would invite a friend starting with tara kape? Almost all of us did. These are the simple words that we can say to someone that we want to start a conversation with. But on a deeper level, what are your intentions when you say those words? Well, in my case, when I said those words, it is either an invitation that I am bored and I just want to have someone to accompany me, or it is a signal that I am not feeling good at the moment and I need someone to give me an advice. It is a simple invitation, but regardless, the main objective is to find someone to be there on your side. I am an extrovert person, and I feel like the only way for me to feel relief is to be able to talk about problems with other people and get advices from them. But the other hand, I feel like we also need to invite our friends, not because we have problems, but we need to check up on them. Like sometimes these people who doesn't really share about their lives usually have complicated problems that we need to address or help them with. Because we never know if they are already feeling depressed or just having anxiety. And I am just so privileged to have really good friends. Even if they're not seeing me personally for years, they can feel whether I am out of the blue. Like yesterday, I was having a conversation with my college friend. It was a normal conversation. Then suddenly he asked me if I'm okay. Because he felt like I wasn't. And I was so shocked. Because I never posted anything on social media accounts other than my photos on the beach. So I asked him, "How did you say so?" Then he told me he just felt like there's something off with the way I talk to him right now. So for me, I have nothing to hide with my friends. So I told him the problems I have been experiencing for quite some time. And of course, I would not go over with that problem, of course. But the thing here is, we just need someone to talk to, someone there to accompany you. Even if we don't ask them, tara kape, they will always be there surprisingly. And I was so surprised. And sometimes being a friend, I should also be there for them, even if we are far apart from each other. Like I have a friend from Dubai. He wasn't really open to share his current relationship to anyone because I don't even have any idea that he was dating someone there already. The next thing I know, he was starting to post some disturbing posts on social media accounts, like quotes about breakups or anything about breakups, about relationship not working good. A relationship not didn't end up very good or very well. So I messaged him right away, and then we had a call about it. Sometimes you just need to be there for them as they were for you. And this guy, this my friend, he was there always for me when I was having a problem with relationship as well. And the next thing I know, I was there for him already. Like it's just give and take friendship kind of relationship. So as a true friend, we should know if there's something going on with our friends. Even a simple gesture. And please, do not ignore our friends. If they are inviting you to have a coffee, sometimes that's their only way to say, "I need you." So that's it for me. And I hope that we are reminded to check up on our friends. Don't ignore them. As a true friend, be there for them. This has been your host, Christian, saying thank you for tuning again to my podcast. And I hope to see you again on my next episode. I love you guys. Bye bye.